Hi friends, welcome to a new video. In this video I am going to unbox Lenovo ThinkPad E14 Generation 4. In this video I am going to show you part by part and what are the parts and what are the ports and what is the resolution, what is the processor that it has got, rest of the details. So without wasting the time, let's get into the topic. Thank you. Hey, look at this. We have two Lenovo ThinkPad E14 Generation 4 laptops that we're going to unbox today. Look at this. Two are completely sealed ones. Let us just open and then check one by one. Let's open one. Let's cut the seal. Look at this. Completely new one, brand new. Look at the seal. Not yet open. This is the main one. Now let's open the seal and see the contents of this box. Yes. So, look at this packaging material. Let's see the accessories first. Here we have our card, 65 watts USB-C adapter, 65 watts, and as usual you get one power card with this. Keep this aside and then see what else you get with the laptop. And you get a pack of documents like which are like warranty information and safety and regulatory information related things. Yes, and this is a quick through card which will illustrate the ports and parts of the laptops. And if you have a time, better to go through all these ones. Look at this, the power button, the touch ID, and rest of the details. If you have time, you better sit freely for some time and then go through. And this is safety and regulatory information. Let's keep this aside. Warranty, you will have 1 year warranty for this. And let me show you the MRP of this model. Look at this. MRP of this is 1,14,532 rupees inclusive of all taxes. You might get it around 1,10,000 rupees. Now let's open the seal. You see, it's completely sealed. If you get a laptop which is open, don't accept it. Return it back and take the sealed one only. Because if you accept it, there could be some issues with that, and if it might have gone for repair and come back, so there are a lot of issues. There might be a lot of issues. So look at this. This is the one. Awesome look. ThinkPad, which was there with IBM. Now it is Lenovo. Let's open this. Look at this. See here, they've given some instructions. At the beginning, you'll have to connect the power and then power it on. And there's some other details they've given. And look at this. Keyboard. Look at the keyboard and the track pointer, and these are the two touch points. USB-C, gigabit Ethernet, USB, and look at that. Let's see this side. USB-C charging port and the indicator, and the USB port which you can use for charging of other devices. HDMI, universal audio port. Here it is. Let's see this. Let's see the configuration. Here it is. ThinkPad E14 Generation 4 Lenovo, and the 16 GB of RAM, 12th Gen Intel Core i5 processor. Yes, and 512 GB SSD. That's all it is. Look at this. The camera. This is a Touch ID one, which has like which box has Touch ID and power button both. This is 14 inches display, which is i5 Intel Core i5. Now look at this. This has got 8 GB, and we're going to add another 8 GB to this. And it has got Windows 11 with it. Now let's power it on and see. Let's connect it. Yes, this power is getting supplied here. Now let's power it on. Yes, let's see. The beginning it might take a few seconds extra. Be patient. Yes, look at the Lenovo. Yes, here we have 512 GB SSD. Let's see the system information. Is it information? Here it is, ThinkPad E14 Generation 4. And these are the details. It is 12th Gen Intel Core i5, 8 GB RAM that it is got, 1.3 GHz speed. That's what the details. And we are going to upgrade RAM to 16 GB. That we will be doing it in next video.